kidding me? You have to get out of there before the wake serpent gets us. Okay, Daddy?
Okay, all right, good idea. I don't want to get eaten right now. You being careful?
It's in the water.
What is it?
Sidewalk. See it?
Whoa, it's huge.
That's because it drank the water.
Oh.
I'll keep an eye on it. Oh, it's gone.
All right, should we start walking again?
No, you start and find some more sea moss.
Okay.
I'll keep an
Go
eye.
get the car, and we'll drive back down here, and we'll eat a snack on the dock looking for sea monsters. Is that what you want to do?
Come on, Dad. Go.
Okay.
I'm hungry. It's a heron.
You're right.
Blue heron?
Yep, it's a blue heron. Great blue.
There's two of them now.
Mm-hmm. Oh, what's that? Duck? Something just flew in. Are you glad we came here for snacks?
There's water in here.
It's okay. Oh, you ate all your grapes?
Yeah.
Nice.
I ran dump the water out.
You can do it.
In the pond?
No, just dump it on the ground, please.
On over here?
Sure.
And dumped it. It's like mud water. Is this mud water, Daddy?
It's pond water.
Mud water?
Well, it's pond water.
No. You see the mud and you see all the thing in there?
Mm-hmm.
See? That's why it's called mud water.
Oh,
It's called mud water.
I gotcha.
When there's one pond, it's called mud water. And when you dump it on, I'm gonna sit down and have my veggies.
Dude, there's a green heron right over close to us. Right on this dead tree.
On that dead tree?
Mm-hmm.
Which tree?
Can you not hang on my arm? Because that's what I'm holding the camera with. I'll show
There
you.
you go.
How are those veggie chips? There's so much food in this pond for the birds to eat.
Yeah, wait. Could I eat persons?
No, a person wouldn't fit down their mouth.
Can you touch them?
No, they don't want to be touched.
When you have creature powers disc?
I guess you could touch them then, huh?
Yeah. And you have a suit on you?
Creature
And
suit?
gloves?
That could work. Where's it going now? Bye.
Is in the water like this?
Who does that? Ducks?
Yeah. And then they do this.
That's true.
That's how a bird looks. They Shoot, 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 shoot. I see some more moss.
You really like moss, huh?
Yeah, I like moss.
He's a chip eater. They get big. Oh, it's smelling you, I think.
Go find some animals, Daddy.
I think its face is covered with a spider web, maybe. Either that or it's having trouble shedding.
Come on, Daddy. Daddy.
Oh, it looks like it got beat up, I think.
Oh, it got beat up. Come on, Daddy.
Oh, yeah, it's got a big wound.
Daddy, come on.
Can you stop hitting my... This thing is a survivor, dude. This is all beat... Look, this is an animal right here. This is called an animal.
No, we have to find some other animals, too.
I can't believe that thing's still alive. It looks all beat up.
What?
The sand pit. You ready for the sand pit?
Yeah. Let's go find some animals in there.
Okay. Bye. You're okay, dude. There's one beat up looking snake.
Come on, Daddy. Come on, Daddy, let's go.
Okay, sorry. He's doing all off to see the sand pit. The wonderful sand pit of bugs.
Come on, Dad. I'm a dad.
Mm-hmm. This is the sand pit.
Want to go in?
Yeah, let's go in.
Let's go.
Even though it's raining a little bit.
What's the rain today?
I didn't think it was supposed to.
Want to go down here, Daddy?
Look, turtle eggs. Turtle shells that someone ate. Someone ate the eggs.
Want to go that way?
Well, this is... I don't want to... No. I want to look for cicada killers, and we might find turtles hatching out of the ground. It's definitely a raven. Yeah. It's a raven in the tree.
We have to find some more animals.
Oh, that was a Cooper's hawk. What the heck is going on in here? It's a hawk. And ravens.
Come on, Daddy. We have to find some more animals.
You're not even looking.